Alright, so here's our second evolutionary test. This one's going for a 3-input NAND gate. So I'm in the EA2 directory, and here's the output that was generated, the raw output. And again, 12,800 represents a perfect score, and we had a number of individuals starting with generation 28 that evolved perfectly. So let's just go ahead and analyze that. So I'll shrink this window down, and I'll open up a live display, and we'll start putting in some commands. So we'll do file raw 3, and we'll load individual 28, individual 119 generation 28, and that's a perfect score. And so let's test 0, 0, 0, and that outputs a 0, but it's not perfect. So 0, 0, 0, that outputs a 1. I think I didn't run it right last time. So that outputs a 1. Test 0, 0, 1 also outputs a 1. Test 0, 1, 0 outputs a 1. 0, 1, 1 outputs a 1. 1, 0, 0 outputs a 1. 1, 0, 1 outputs a 1. 1, 1, 0 outputs a 1. But 1, 1, 1 outputs a 0. And you can see our output is here. This region gets evacuated only in this particular combination of input values. So how is this happening? Well, it's not entirely clear. And if we let this thing run beyond the testing period, we see strange behaviors. But in our next video, we'll take a look at this happening in slower motion, and we'll try to get a handle on what exactly is going on in the evolved circuit. But it's still a pretty open question how these circuits are doing what they do. But let's go on to the next circuit in another video.